all, today I'm going to review this 3S Learning No Field Do UKG worksheets. Let's not delay and open this. And it's a quite nice packaging they have, and you can keep that separately, properly packaged. So let's open this. So first of all, we have a GK book, and this has 2 sets, which is free with this pack. This GK book is like Richie has done a bit also, like the good habits. Just take and you can write, and the child can trace. Okay, and by learning and writing and doing it again, because their motto is when we read we may forget, when we see we remember, and when we do we can understand. And I completely follow with that. And you can see it has a pre-KG worksheets, LKG, UKG, standard 1, and they are available in Tamil and Hindi also. So, and it's very nice. You know, children take interest when there are colored worksheets and everything. It's more of it's a book plus a combo of a child has to do some things. Like when, and only 4, little information. A lot of information is not tried to be given in only 1 page, and it's really nice. And it's followed in around so many schools. It's in 450 towns in India. So this is its practice book, and I have not used it because this is basically writing as much as writing. And you know, you can see that it is straight writing and not cursive writing. And I was also like a bit apprehensive about it, but I found a solution to this and not getting it wasted. I'll share it with you shortly. So this is their English book and English practice book. Both are basically worksheets, but in this, child has not to write that much. He has just games and play, tick marks, and you know, doggy has to find his way home to the kennel by writing a small ABCD. It's really fun, and children can pot, papa pot. So this is pot. Child will find P and he will learn, okay, POT is pot. And by repetitive learning, like mazes and puzzles, like repetitive learning, child can learn so much. So let's move on to practice. So this is basically practice. You just write and write and write. So इसमें वो कम पेज लिखता है. I just make sure कि वो सिर्फ 2 या 3 लिखे. So this was done on 30th May, this on 31st, and this on the 1st of May. So what I have done, what I found. The solution of the problem was that I just write it very heavy-handedly with a sharp pencil. I just connect all the letters. Like it's not clear in this because Richie has written. What I have done is this. I just S, then I join it with I, and then I join it with T. So I just join it and join it with I and join it with T. So he has been writing like this, and you can see that he has just started writing, and later on he can learn to tilt that also, and that's how. See, this is at words, this is at words, at family, it family, ought family, at family, app, and it's all written. You don't need to prepare, take another copy, write. इसमें इसको, and surprisingly the page quality is very good. When you rub it, it's just surprisingly the eraser erases it very nicely. So I'm very much impressed with the paper quality also. There's so many worksheets, and when the children will write, they will, like, you know, in their mind they are learning subconsciously. And that's what I believe, and that is the basic funda of these books also. So I'm very much happy with this. So this is the mathematics book. Again, this is the worksheets just for learning, and this is the practice. You have to write and write and write in this. So let's move in with the worksheets. See, this page Richie opened, my son opened, and I just told him this. Count the jugs and write the number. He just did it all by himself. I didn't have to sit with him also because he loved it. He loved the decorum. He loved the you know, the setting. Okay, the boy is there, girl is there, the cups are there, the jugs are there, balloons, fans. So it was, and it's made here also. We can't make worksheets like this. And now he has to, you have to count and do. So you have to color 4 balls. He has to cut 13 oranges. He has to count 9 caps. He has to count and write. And he has to count the number. And like, I am very happy that on 1 page there is only a limited number of, you know, questions. It's not like कि बहुत सारा hodgepodge करके बहुत सारा वर्क दे दिया है तो बच्चा overwhelmed हो जाए, इतना ज़्यादा उसको काम, उसको ये मज़ेदार लगता है. He finds it interesting. He finds it, you know, workable. उसको ये burden नहीं लगता है. So I'm very happy with it. And then he completed and he liked it. मैंने उसको बोला ये देखो मैट है और इसको स्वीटी कैट को यहाँ से मिल्क पीने जाना है. Just complete the numbers so that she can go on the hopscotch mat. And he just did it so nicely. Then he has to take 63
circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The presentation, the quality of the pages, the girl and the boy in the cartoons makes it more approachable for kids. Now let's see the practice sheet. Again, practice and more practice, writing the numbers and counting and practice. So this is nice. When we reach, this is nice because he will learn about the number line. And before, after, wait, let me show you this. Addition. The best thing is take 4 and then you have to jump 3. So addition will be so easy. 4 पे हूँ मम्मा मैं and I'm jumping 3. 5, 6, 7. I jump 3 and I reach 7. So it's really number line का concept बच्चों को बहुत अच्छे से clear हो जाएगा. टेंस और वंस का concept भी बहुत अच्छे से ये समझाया गया है. और worksheets are मतलब बहुत ही अच्छे से इन्होंने पूरा अच्छे से एक साथ रखा है. Then let us come to final Hindi. Again, worksheets and practice sheets. So this is again, मैंने भी हिंदी नहीं शुरू कराई है क्योंकि वो अभी LKG में आ से डी तक ही कर रहा है. अभी यहाँ से सीधे क्योंकि UKG में क से स्टार्ट होता है तो ये बहुत ही अच्छे से दिया है. तो घ अक्षर वाले वर्गों में तो घ वाले में ग, तो क ख ग घ में ही करना है बच्चों को. तो उस तरीके से ये बहुत ही बढ़िया है. तो गोल क में सिर्फ गोला लगाइए. कुछ बहुत हम लोग के लिए बहुत इजी चीज है पर ये बनाने बैठेंगे तो इट विल टेक टाइम. और फिर इतना अच्छे से कलर्ड है, नाइस पेजेस. चाइल्ड देखिए क से कमल कुछ नहीं है, बहुत इजी है. पर आप कमल बनाने बैठेंगे या बुक्स में भी ये तो बहुत अच्छा है. बट इतना रिगरस ट्रेनिंग के हिसाब से और एक पेज में इतना कम भी है तो ये मुझे बहुत अच्छी चीज लगी. अब जैसे यहाँ पे डॉट ज्वाइन द डॉट्स है हिंदी में, मुझे बहुत कम दिखे हैं ये सब बुक्स में. सो आई एम रियली इम्प्रेस विद दिस. सो इट एंड्स विद हियर एंड इट हैज वन गेम ऑल्सो. सो इसी में एक इंटेली गेम करके भी आया था फ्री. इट वाज फ्री एंड ये भी बहुत ही अच्छी चीज है. लेट मी शो यू. ये बहुत अच्छा गेम है एंड वेरी इजी एंड इफेक्टिव. आई डोंट नो ये घर में भी बन सकता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. बट इट वाज रियली नाइस. तो आपको ये कॉइन्स दिए जाते हैं और ये आपको स्टिकर्स दिए जाते हैं जो आप बच्चों के साथ खुद कट करके पेस्ट करेंगे. And then you are given this. Now what you have to do is, okay, what is this beta? Pen. या what is this? Tag. What is this? Lid. अब lid में बेटा LID आई ढूंढिए. अब बच्चा आई ढूंढ रहा है तो उसको आई रिवाइज भी हो रहा है. वो बार बार सोच रहा है आई कैसा दिखता है और वो आई ढूंढ रहा है इन सब में. और फिर वो मानिए आई हाँ आई, तो उसको आई मिल जाएगा. देन यू विल कीप इट लाइक दिस. तो ये गेम हम लोग खेलते हैं. एक लेटर तुम सुनोगे, देन आई विल फाइंड वन लेटर, देन यू विल फाइंड वन लेटर. और देखो ये LID वाओ LID लेड. पिक्चर आर आल्सो मेड. सो इट्स रियली कैट सॉरी कब. तो CUB कब. ओके डॉग. अच्छा ये लाइन भी कब बार बार रिपीटेशन से और बार बार लिखने से बच्चों को बहुत अच्छे से. तो ये बहुत अच्छा है. सिर्फ इंग्लिश नहीं है इसमें, मैथ्स भी है. 18 इज मोर देन 17. मोर देन लेस देन के साइंस भी दिए हैं इसमें कॉइन्स में. आपको फुल स्टॉप और क्वेश्चन मार्क कहाँ लगाना है. तो ये बार बार रिपीटेशन से ही बच्चे लर्न करते हैं. सो इट्स वेरी नाइस एंड आई एम वेरी मच हैप्पी विद दिस वर्कशीट. दिस अ वैल्यू बाय बिकॉज यू गेट इन 700. यू कैन फाइंड द लिंक in the description below. Okay, I hope it helps and I'm coming with more videos what I do with my son and for my son, so that the toys and the games. And stay tuned and subscribe.
Thank you.